Hello everyone, wish you all a very good morning. I am Uttam Singh, a student from SAIL, Sun Institute of English Speaking. Today I am here to express my views on the topic that has been given to us, which is education possible without technology? So according to me, obviously education is possible without technology, because the best example of this is that in ancient times a lot of great scholars has been there when there was no technology, and without technology I think there were more better and genius students, and nowadays students are involving in a lot of bad and miscellaneous activities which is not connected anywhere with their studies. Obviously, this is also true that technology has made education very much easy, and it has provided a lot of facilities to get educated very easily and in simpler ways. There are, as we all know, that every coin has two faces, and same goes with the technology. The today's technology have the same effect, positive and negative, on the society, on our students. Today we are going to talk about the demerits and merits of the technology on the studies. According to me, the merits of technology is that the technology has made the study materials to reach to every student very easily, and it has become possible for every student or everyone who is willing to learn something. He can get material online for free, each and everything, and he can learn. Meanwhile, it is also true that just not in online classes or online material, just not the studies things are available, but also there are a lot of things available which distract our minds. But it depends on the student or the scholar who is searching for that thing, what he is going to learn from these things. And without technology it wouldn't have been possible to educate so much people. Like today, the education rate of India is almost 70% or above 70%. Just take the example of the pandemic. Amid the pandemic, we suffered a lot from jobless and financial problems, but we adopted a lot of things and we learned a lot of things from the pandemic, in which one thing is that our country India also evolved and adopted the online education system. A lot of students got to know that how Android phones are to be operated or online classes are to be operated, and how easy it is to get the online classes, and teachers also got to know that how easy and comfortable it is to teach the students in front of a camera. And also we all know that online classes are very much cheaper and less time consuming, and so we can say that education with technology is obviously something great and useful for us. It's just up to us that how we are taking the technology for our use. And now talking about the demerits of the technology, one very common thing is that nowadays every student has their smartphones, and in their smartphones there are a lot of social sites and other activities they are doing on the phone. They sometimes get into miscellaneous activities that ruin their future, and also they get distracted from their studies. A lot of students are suffering from these things, that they are not getting proper studies. They are not proper studying just because they are so much distracted with online gaming or online platforms such as social media, and a lot of things are there. They are so much influenced with social sites and things like making reels on the Instagram and other things. They are so much convinced that these are the very easy way to earn money from the social sites, so they are so much distracted that we do not need to learn anything, because we are just few seconds away from anything. Just you have to type something on the Google and you are going to get all the results. No one needs to learn anything. And obviously it is also true that nowadays learning something is not something good, because what you are wasting your time 4 or 5 or 6 hours to learn something which you can just enter on Google, and you will find thousands of results on that thing. And things have changed, so we have to change ourselves and we have to be updated with the technology, but also we should control our use. We should check that how much addicted we are to these technology things, and addiction of anything is obviously bad for us. So we should not be addicted to anything, and try to just take it in positive way. That's all. Thank you so much. That's it. Thank you so much.